if you've been onto the MTD-CNC website or you're planning to go on over the weekend, the top 5 videos that have featured this week. At number 5 is a video that's recorded, as you would expect, thousands of views from Colchester Machine Tools on their VMCs, their vertical machining centres, which they now supply at ProDrive. At number 4, a video that Geo produced on a Shibaura 200 machine from Leader CNC at A&M Hydraulics. When we talk about heavy engineering, this is certainly a video to watch. A&M Hydraulics do a lot of huge manufacturing within the automotive and mould and die industry, and that machine is performing in action. I think it's like a magnetic part that's on the table it's doing. Number 3 is a journey from Haas Superstar Components, where we've spoke with James Leet about the various machines they've bought and the journey that the company has been through. Number 2 is an interesting video from Joe about ZCC Cutting Tools. Have just signed an agreement with Renovo Solutions. If you want to know where you get your ZCC Cutting Tools remanufactured, then that's a video to watch. And at number 1, you talk about Dave Waghorn, Carl. I did a video, I don't know whether you saw it, I went to the South Coast to look at to PEKO. Do you know who PEKO are?
No, I'm afraid I don't know.
Yeah, okay, so PEKO make model railways.
Okay.
They make all of these, they make all the, the trains, the tracks. It's a bit like, the name,
sort of modern day Hornby, is that what you're talking about? Yeah?
Exactly,
Yeah, okay.
that's one of their competitors or main competitors.
Yeah.
They are shipping and selling tens of thousands of these tracks and trains around the world. They purchased a Roders high-speed machining centre from Herco. Now, this machine is about tight tolerance machining, high-speed machining, surface finishes, and they're machining all the mould tools to press the parts. And then you're thinking to yourself, why on earth do you need a tight tolerance mould tool when you're just making a bit of a track for a model railway? It seems crazy, doesn't it? But they do it because it's, they really like to promote the fact that their product is as good as anybody's. Incredible to hear from the guys there at PEKO about the Roders machine and how reliable, fast, and what a great surface finish it produces.